Good morning. Laser cutting something really cool, a gift for my daughter's boyfriend. He's started up his own landscaping company, and I'm really proud of him. So it's a really cool feeling to make something like that. I just went out in the woods right out here, and I grabbed a piece of maple or oak. I'm not very good at identifying trees. I have decided to protect my zone, my life, and I am, as much as I want to know what's going on, I simply can't handle it. I can't handle what's going on with certain things in the world on both sides. I'm not even sure it's coming in at work, it's coming in everything. I just don't know. But here's what came to me. Back in the day, I don't know if I always joke about the cave days, right? What it was like back then when they threw crap out the window in Europe because they didn't have a toilet system, right? So the toilet system is relatively new, the whole sewage system. So they call Gardaloo, and they would throw crap out the window. You know what? We don't live in those times. We have food, we have things, we have power, we have things that we can live in. Even the people in third world countries right now, I saw someone wanted to make $20 and they have internet. They have internet in third world countries. Our lives are not that bad. We are still prospering. Yeah, things have gotten more expensive. Things are more difficult than they used to be, but we're still all alive. We're still all in this game. I want you to find your zone. If you find something that you really find that's peaceful, like I've discovered something I'm doing around my house, if you find that, keep it to yourself. Keep it private. Keep it confidential of what brought you peace. You don't need to tell anyone else's advice, like what I'm doing right now. Actually, I'm not telling you what I'm doing to relax. I do make things, and that makes me happy. I bought a lathe. I'm gonna start turning wood. Probably gonna hurt myself. But the fact is, if you find something that brings you peace, if you find something that you make or something you do, you keep it to yourself. Keep it private. And that is what you needed to hear today, is that if you're not there, and if you are, maybe you wouldn't be watching the video at this point, but if you have not found your thing that gives you peace right now, make that an absolute priority. It is more important than ever to think about what is going to bring you joy. So I get there's other things that may be going on in your life that deterring it. Find a way to find joy. Do something for yourself. Look out for yourself. Peace out. Take care.